Good morning, class 4th. Children, I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Children, today we will again continue with lesson number 2, that is doing windows. We have already discussed in our class, but let's start. I'm sending you this video. If you have any problem in understanding anything or in connectivity problem, so you can just go through it. Okay, so I'm on page number 28 and we will start with another accessory, that is Windows Mobility Center. So this is the window of the Windows Mobility Center. This is how it looks like, and let's see what it is. This is used to adjust display brightness, volume, power, etc. Okay, so this is used for adjusting the various features of the windows, that is like brightness. You can see brightness is there, volume is there, then battery status is there, screen orientation is there, external display is there. Okay, so it is used for adjusting all these things. Okay, now Wordpad, this is the look of the window of Wordpad. Okay, this is how it looks like. It is somewhat like MS Word, but it has less feature than MS Word. Wordpad is used quite often to edit text documents with advanced formatting. So in the notepad we can do basic formatting, but here we can do advanced formatting also. Though we can do advanced formatting here, but still it has got very less feature as compared to MS Word. Here you can see that only two menu options are there, but in MS Word there are variety of options available to you. Okay, now computer manners. Keep your computer covered to avoid dust and foreign particles to enter it, as this may affect its working capacity. So we need to keep our computer covered and to avoid all these things, dust and foreign particles, and also we need to clean it regularly in the proper manner, the computer system and its other devices which are connected to it, because it may affect its working capacity. Okay, the way it works, it can be disturbed if there is a if it is exposed to dirt and dust. Okay, so you need to be careful with it. Now taskbar. Here you can see the picture of the taskbar. It is the long bar at the bottom of the desktop. It is given at the bottom of the desktop. You have seen this bar. This is the start button. It has a start button, quick launch bar, system tray, and show desktop button. It also shows icons for the currently opened or running programs. Okay, so it is the long bar at the bottom of the desktop. At the bottom of the desktop we can see this bar all the time. It has a start button. This is a start button. Quick launch bar. This is quick launch bar. You have studied about this, I think, in third class also, that it is used for launching the applications quickly, means opening the applications quickly. Then system tray. This is the system tray where clock is there and other icons are there. Then show desktop button. One more button is there, which is show desktop button. We will study about it. It also shows icon for the currently opened or running programs, means whichever window you are opening, whether you are opening 2 windows, 1 window, 5 windows, 10 windows, all will be visible here once they are changed to when they are working, when you are working in them. Even if you are minimizing, then also they will be shown here, and you can quickly go through this bar to see which all applications are opened. Okay, now number 1 is quick launch bar. This launches an application quickly. You can open the respective application by single clicking on its icon on the quick launch bar. So as I told you that you can open the application very quickly using quick launch bar. Okay, you need to just simply single click on it and it will open. Then system tray. This displays the current date and time. Here you can see current date and time, and even these icons are a part of the system tray. Then show desktop button. This button minimizes all the open programs and displays the desktop. Means when you click on this show desktop button, what will happen? That all the windows will disappear, will not be closed, but they will disappear, and you will be able to see the desktop. Okay, it is used for this purpose. Now, setting date and time. The date and clock on your computer keep good time, but you might have to provide the correct date and time for your location. Okay, so it keeps track of the time properly, but we may have to, if we are changing the location, then we may have to provide the correct date and time. And even when some major changes are happening in the computer, like some operating system is being installed or antivirus is being installed, maybe at that time also you need to provide both these. Now, to set the date and time on your computer, what you have to do, you will right click the date and time display on the taskbar, and then you will choose adjust date and time from the shortcut menu. This will be shown here. Okay, you will click on this place, right click on this place, and then this window will be there in which you will do the adjustment. Click the change date and time button. Now you will click the change date and time button, and then you will be able to do. Enter a new time in the time field. If you wish, click on a new date in the calendar display and then click OK. So here we can click and here we can make changes, and then we will click on the OK, and the new date and time will be set accordingly. Okay, so children, you are requested to read till here, and now we will meet in the next period. Bye bye, take care.